Hi guys, welcome to the Sound of Very good. Today I got this here box of black box Mexican candies. This was for $3 at Crazy Bins. Okay, let's open it up and see what shall I try today. There it is. There. Alright. Alright, let's see. I am going to pick out four candies. These here look good. I cannot read them because they are in Mexican. Latte. I think I will try one of these ones. Sorry for all that crumply. I'm going to try this one here. Two more here. Dig. And I'm going to try this one here as well. Alright. Let's get opening and see if I like him or not. Let's open up this one here first. Ooh. Okay. Okay, that one completely broke. So there is a little piece right here. Right here. Definitely lime or lemon. Oh, there's the spikes. I'm gonna take this bigger piece. Yeah. Gross. That one is gross. Let's try. I don't know if I have another one of those in here or not. Does not look like it. Okay, I have found it. That's what it looks like. It is hard candy. Very hard candy. Okay, let's give it a taste. not bad. The first lick was okay. A couple of licks after, or the second one, it this one here. Ooh, it looks pretty. It looks totally pretty. Can I break it? Yep, I did break it. And it went down there. Alright, let's see. It's hard. Not bad at all, actually. It tastes like fruit with a little bit of spice. Right, let's taste test one of these. Alright, here it goes. It looks like butterscotch, but I know it's not butterscotch. Maybe it is butterscotch. No spice at all. Definitely sweet. Save that for later. Alright, if you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. High five, guys.